In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a print button to Google Chrome Toolbar. If you've ever wished for a simple, one-click way to print whatever's on your screen, this is for you. By default, Chrome doesn't include a print button on the toolbar, but we can create our own in about 30 seconds using a tiny piece of code called a bookmarklet. It's quick, safe, and once you've set it up, you'll wonder how you lived without it. First, make sure your bookmarks bar is visible so you have a place to put the button. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl, Shift, and B together. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and B. You should see a thin bar appear right under the address bar. If you already see it, great. You're ready to go. Now, move your mouse to that bookmarks bar, right-click it, and choose Add Page. A small window will pop up asking for a name and a URL. For the name, type print in all caps so it's easy to spot at a glance. In the URL box, delete anything that's there and replace it with this exact code, javascript.window.print. Make sure you include the word JavaScript with the colon at the beginning and no extra spaces. That prefix is what tells Chrome this is a bookmarklet, not a normal web link. Click Save, and your new print button should appear on the bar immediately. You're done. From now on, whenever you want to print the page you're viewing, just click that print button. Chrome's print preview will open instantly, whether you're on a website, a PDF, or a document you've loaded in the browser. No more digging through menus or remembering shortcuts. A few quick tips. If you don't see the button, double-check that the bookmarks bar is visible. You can also drag the print button left or right on the bar to place it where it's most convenient. If clicking it doesn't do anything, edit the bookmark and confirm that the code is exactly JavaScript window.print with no changes. Some workplaces or managed browsers may restrict bookmarklets. If that's the case, you might need to use the regular print shortcut instead. And remember, in incognito, the bookmarks bar is hidden by default unless you've enabled it, so you might not see the button there. That's all there is to it. You now have a reliable one-click print button in Chrome. One click, and you're printing. You're all set.